Which tool helps teachers in assessing their strength and realizing the weaknesses or areas of improvement? Self-evaluation framework, all curriculum framework, assessment framework. So here is the right answer is self-evaluation framework. Best way to assess the strengths, weaknesses and areas of improvement. Which aspect is necessary for the exchange of ideas between teacher and students? Communication skills, life skills, creative skills, technical skills. So communication skills is the best method to exchange of ideas between teacher and students. So the right answer is communication skills. To create effective learning environment, a dash is necessary. Lesson plan, mini plan, working plan, action plan. So in order to create effective learning environment in the classroom, preparation of lesson plan is must. So the right answer is lesson plan. If we want to know a student's performance and behavior, dash is the best tool. Role play, observation, analysis, checklist. Checklist is the best tool to know the student's performance and behavior in an effective way. So checklist is the right answer. Some assessment tools are all the options, role play, questionnaire, quiz. So all options are right. The right answer is all options. Remaining assessment tools are also there like observation, interview, analysis, portfolio, self-assessment, peer assessment, checklist, case study, entry and exit card. Summative assessment is under assessment for learning, assessment of learning, assessment as learning, none. So the right answer is assessment of learning. Summative assessment is called assessment of learning. It will be done end of the teaching. Formative assessment is a dash form of assessment. Assessment for learning, none. Assessment as learning, assessment of learning. So the right answer is assessment for learning. So formative assessment will be done during teaching. It is ongoing assessment. Teacher should conduct assessment based on learning outcomes, curriculum, textbooks, midday meals. So the right answer is learning outcomes. So a teacher should conduct assessment by keeping in view of learning outcomes. Dash helps to develop critical thinking skills in students. Checklist, video based assessment, both, none. So video based assessment is the right answer by which we can develop critical thinking skills in students. So video based assessment is the best way to develop critical thinking skills and also innovative skills in the students. During pandemic COVID-19 period, we use dash tools to assess the students. None, online assessment tool, offline assessment tool, baseline assessment tool. So COVID-19 pandemic, we have been using online assessment tools. So this is the right answer, online assessment tools.